In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress on your Hostinger account seamlessly. Let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible. First, you'll want to log in to your Hostinger account. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial to ensure you're accessing the right account, especially if you manage multiple domains. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger's control panel, known as H-panel. Now, take a look at the sidebar. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Websites. This is where all your domains are neatly organized, which is a huge help if you're working with more than one. Go ahead and select the domain where you'd like to install WordPress. Choosing the correct domain is important because this is where your new WordPress site will live. After selecting your domain, scroll down a bit until you reach the section called Website. Under this section, you'll find an option marked Auto Installer. This feature is a fantastic tool because it streamlines the entire installation process, making things much quicker and eliminating the guesswork. Click on Auto Installer. Next up, you'll see various applications you can install, but what we're interested in is WordPress. WordPress is incredibly popular due to its user-friendly interface and robust functionality for building almost any type of website. Click on WordPress. Now, we're ready to fill in the installation details. Let's start by setting up your admin username and password. Choose a username that's easy for you to remember but not too obvious to help keep your site secure. Similarly, opt for a strong password. It's essential that it's complex yet memorable to protect your site from unauthorized access. Following this, you'll need to input your email address. This email will serve as a contact point for admin notifications from WordPress, so be sure it's one you check regularly. Moving on, there's a drop-down menu for selecting your domain. Even though you selected it earlier, this step is vital to ensure the WordPress installation is directed to the correct location. Simply confirm that your chosen domain appears here. There's also a space to set your site's title. This is optional, but setting a clear and relevant title can be quite beneficial as it often appears in search engine results and at the top of browser windows, giving visitors a quick understanding of what your website is about. Finally, once all these fields are filled in and you're satisfied with your setup, take a deep breath and click Install. The installation process should begin promptly. Keep an eye on your progress, and soon enough, you'll have WordPress up and running on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully set up WordPress on your Hostinger account. With WordPress installed, you're now free to explore its many themes and plugins to customize your site according to your vision. Thanks for joining me today, and happy building!